Gang, 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 gang. You already know what time it is, man. You don't know, done back in the lobby, You see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than Sinful himself. It's been a little minute. But we're back here with our boy RajahWild, yeah? Yeah, we're there with RajahWild, man. RajahWild just dropped a new track. You see me, I say they want to entitle Free Spirit. Look at it on the front, too. Is that Free Spirit girl? Slim or something. Yeah, man, the one in type of Free Spirit, man. JiggyD link up. Check it out and see what that got do. It's been a minute since we reacted to the RajahWild. You see what I say? Well, we getting back active. You don't know, so we are channel where always bring the artists them most people and react to. Where are we the Bumbleclad really make Bumbleclad chopper music popular when it come to the reaction and thing? Are we, remember what Jambisco done do to the game, bro. I mean, I was finding you want, bro. Let's get back to it, bro. I'm gonna get shit that's not trending again. Watch how I do this shit, nigga. You see me? I say, we'll get back in that track. RajahWild, the one named Free Spirit. Now we'll vibe much stronger. Let's get it.
It's so really classic.
Hey.
Baby, if me fucking can't still be friends. Save me now your phone as DJ said.
Buckley, that beat that sound crazy. JiggyD, you might be cooking. Rajah, you might be cooking with this. Man say, baby, save me name in your phone like DJ. Hey, yo, dog, you promote cheating, no? Rajah, I will not promote the bun thing, When you get bun, me no want to no cry, Oh, go on to.
Baby, if me fucking can't still be friends. Save me now your phone as DJ said.
Oh, baby, if me fuck you, we can still be friends. Just save me in your phone as DJ. What?
Sinful.
The beat that sound crazy.
Reach to me. Ain't enough to do with the key to me. Ain't enough to do with you feel. You know if you chopping in the house, you a free spirit.
Bombo click. Come through the man say reach to me.
Reach to me. Ain't enough to do with the key to me. Ain't enough to do with you feel. You know if you chopping in the house, you a free spirit.
She like chopping in the house, man. You should be outside. You should be outside flaunting, showing off the assets. You should be at the beach, vibing. You should be at the parties and the luxury. Mama, you're a free spirit. Come through, watch you. Free up yourself.
You a free spirit. Yeah. Freaky, she like pleasing me. Me really like freaky bitch. Yeah. Scream, baby, unleash me. Monsters come alive when at night time. Baby, you got them gon' need it. Turn around, cock up your body, they palm me now.
Mama, cock up the body upon me, mama. Girl look nice and slim, man.
Turn around, cock up your body, upon me.
On the position, man. Girl, I get some.
Me now. Baby, you pass the pan flick. Skinny talk shot me and stop, come on, see. Me papa Mali start creep up.
Baby, you pass the pan flick. Go on, show.
Pull it out, that shit the plastic, more and breathe, yeah. She papa Mali, she start doing. Skinny talk in the back of my car.
Bad girl, Papa Molly, she start tweak, skinny to never girl, I got dead, Come here, go kill her with
more and breathe, yeah. She papa Molly, she start doing. Skinny talk in the back of my car.
Sit.
Boy, they a cap, I'm not do it. Oh, I well with the top, I want to say.
Yeah.
Where things, pat them up and live. Scratch where I want, baby, my got where I gone in. Everything, glass on the cassette. Bad from a band, baby, top for the palm,
He's no man, but from a band, mama. Don't you see we are trying to calm and we are trying to behave ourselves. We are trying to behave ourselves. We are trying to be like a good citizen. But don't make your head chip up.
Them up and live. Scratch where I want, baby, my got where I gone in. Everything, glass on the cassette. Bad from a band, baby, top for the palm, Shot the eye, them want rich. And if you know I miss the way you live, yeah. Reach to me, ain't enough to do with the key to me. Ain't enough to do with you feel. You know if you chopping in the house, you a free spirit. Freaky, she like.
Man, if you chopping in the house, we have free spirit. We gonna be outside every night. Every day we gonna be doing the dough. Adventures all. Man, you know we are going.
Freaky, she like pleasing me. Me really like freaky bitch. Scream, baby, unleash me.
Love a freaky girl, them. I'm to them.
Come alive when at night time.
Come alive when at night time, man. Always up in, you know what I mean, Always up in. You see me barely sleep, man. You see me all outside, what?
Monsters come alive when at night time. Can we still be friends? Save me on your phone as DJ send. Him no know fi do with this a give to me. Him no really love it like me. It's a girl speech you up. Him just a watch you like CVM. Link up on the other side 3 p.m. Him no really love it like me.
To love my, I don't go find one girl. I love my other man girl so that blood clot. Can I you to know be? Me no see me some boy no fear go the same place no. Me some boy no fear fucking same girl no. Me don't know stay say no. Up to me can't always get a bad bitch. To
CVM. Link up on the other side 3 p.m. Him no really love it like me. Reach to me. You know enough to do with you, give to me. You know enough to do with you feel. You know if you chopping in the house, you a free spirit. Freaky, she like pleasing me. Me really like freaky bitch. Scream baby unleash me.
Freaky, she like pleasing me. Me really like freaky bitch. You know if you hey.
Free spirit, freaky, she like pleasing me. Me really like freaky bitch. Scream baby unleash me. Monsters come alive when at night time.
Classic, you did that.
Mad thing. Room. Bomba, JiggyD, RajahWild, Free Spirit. Baby, fuck, we can still be friends. See me name in your phone like DJ Cell. Bomba, clean. You know, if you chopping on the house, you're Free Spirit. Me really like freaky bitch. She really like pleasing me. Bad from me, bad me, I feel me, palm me. Easy that one. That bad. RajahWild, blood clean, Free Spirit. That's a banger. That's a banger, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section. You see me, dog doing his thing, bro. That beat though, started that beat was crazy. You know what I'm saying? That lo-fi beat, JiggyD, you know, lo-fi type beat, JiggyD, you doing your thing, RajahWild doing your thing, man. As the man say, gang. So let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section. You know, it's been a little minute since we reacted to RajahWild, but he's keep doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? He switched it up from the whole demon thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you don't know, so that's why he got his whole start off in this thing. You see, the guzo, the demon thing. You see me? I say that I switched up a little bit. You see me? The sinful, but you know, the dog doing thing. It's a nice little girl tune, you know what I'm saying? Freaky girl tune. Mad fuck song that. You see me I'm saying? Fuck a bitch to that blood clean. Yeah, she got dead, you know. But yeah, man, RajahWild dog, yeah. You see me I'm saying? Yeah, that's a dope ass track. You see me can play it in the whip, can play it, you know, when you girl do the do. You see me play for the ladies, you know what I'm saying? Dope ass track, guys. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let me know what y'all see how I'm gonna react to. You see me I say? Yeah. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Out.